Hi, welcome to my channel. Well, we're doing today my second video about Nicole because I don't know if you saw my last video. I did lightness, like highlights around Nicole's face to make her face look lighter. And now we're gonna do her haircut. She has really long hair. So we're gonna do her haircut. We're gonna do layers on the back and very long layers around her face. And maybe we use the famous scissors, the one we texturize the hair, because I know a lot of people want to know about those scissors. So maybe with Nicole we can show you a little bit about that. Okay, we already separated the hair with a line in the middle, both sides, and this is the back. We took a little piece and we're gonna start from here. Okay, now very important to be sure the customer or the person who is sitting her legs without cross, because if you cross your legs you go a little bit on the side and then the haircut can be uneven. So it's very important to be without the legs crossing straight and with the back straight and the head down. And then we choose how much we're gonna cut from the length. Okay, this is how much she wants. So we're going like this. This is the amount what she wants. Okay, we want to make this much. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up everything over there. Her hair is very curly, so get a little noise. Okay, that's the length. We're gonna double check with the customer. Okay. So this is, we know already which length we want. So we're gonna go to the next. We're gonna take a little piece just until the middle of the head. I'm gonna put this in a clip. We're gonna comb everything through. Okay, and like, I don't know if you remember from my last videos, you go and this is you're gonna follow this and you're gonna keep going in the rest of the hair. Okay, then you have half and now we're going with the other half. You always keep one of the sides so you can use that to follow the length. Go like this, comb everything straight and down, and then you cut it. And like this you keep going, okay? Half, 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 until you finish all the back. The back is ready in the length what we want. Now we're gonna ask our customer to put her hair straight, and we're gonna separate a little piece from the side. There you go. I'm gonna come. Ay, ay, ay. Pulling, pulling. Okay. And we're gonna take a piece from the back. And we can see right away where we have to cut, okay? One piece from the back, one piece from the front, boom. There it was. Very easy. Okay, that's the place where we're gonna cut. We push everything down and straight, and that's it. And we do the same on the other one. Okay, that's gonna be the length. ¿Está bien, no? Okay. Okay, and we go in one more piece. We do the same. We comb everything down, and we can say right away in the place where we have to cut again. Okay, and we keep going like this, and then I show you how to keep going with the layers. Okay, this is 0 degrees haircut, everything clean, straight, no layers. So I cut the back, I cut the sides, and now I'm gonna go to the front just to check if the haircut is even. So you're gonna take the first pieces around the face, you're gonna pull everything down. I like to cut a little bit the corner, okay? Then you come a little bit the rest too, like this. And you check everything there. And you do the same in the other side. Cut a little bit. And voila, this is all in one length, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the layers. First we're gonna do the layers around the face. Remember, she likes the layers really long. We don't wanna do short. They're gonna be very long. In my last video, I wanna tell you a little bit about it because I did a haircut with layers around the face. And a lot of people say, oh, she want the layer, the first layer on top of her lips. And I did a little bit lower. Why? Her hair was very curly and I did blow dry. That's why it looked longer. But when her hair is curly, the hair go higher, go through her lips. If I go and carry her hair on her lips and then when she leaves her hair in curly, it's gonna be very high and she's not gonna be happy. That's why I leave it longer than when she told me that, because she want that when she had her hair dry, and her hair dry it normally is curly. Now her hair is wavy too, so this is important. We don't want to be too short because when her hair is wavy it's gonna jump and it's gonna go shorter. Now the first layer, first we're gonna take the little piece around her face right here in front, not too much, just a little bit. You take right the middle place, like that, okay, right there. And then we're gonna part into that place. So we follow that from this side and we follow this from this side. You want the layers all through the back or just around the face? You wanna be like through the back? Okay, go straight, there you go. So we're gonna follow the short hair. It's right here. We find it right away. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna go with the layers all over there. You watch my other video. I teach how to do the layers. Remember always the hand to be on the front and not on the back. I want to show you today more than anything the layers on the back, what I didn't do in my other video. But look, you can start to see already how nice layers she has over there. Okay, I'm gonna go all through the back so she can have some movement. So I keep going with some more hair and pull it to the front and keep going with my layers. You can see the short piece over here, and that's the place where we're gonna follow the layers. Okay, we did already the layers around the face, the long layers around the face, and now we're gonna do the layers on the back. This is what we have to do. We keep the hair down from the customer. We open the hair like this, okay, and we leave a little piece. And we're gonna comb the hair to be sure it's nice, straight, and smooth. And you're gonna pull down. Look, I comb and I go down with my hand. Now the last hair is gonna be shorter than the top, so I'm gonna follow the rest and cut it. This is gonna be the way how we cut before. Now it's gonna be different. It's gonna be vertical. So this is our guy, and we're gonna cut the rest like this. Okay, comb it through again to be sure everything is good. Pull everything down, and that's our the one where we follow. Now if you want more layers and you want more angle, you put your hair in a step pulling down. You're gonna go a little bit higher. You're gonna go more straight like this, and then you're gonna have more layers to cut. If you go and you go like this, you go with the layers. Every time when you go and do higher, the layer is gonna go shorter to the top. When you do like this, it's gonna be layers just around the ends. When you go higher, like straight, the layers are gonna be middle layers. When you go higher, the higher you go, the shorter are gonna be layers on the top. And when you want really short layers on top, you're gonna pull all your hair up and you're gonna follow. So every time when you go higher, the layers are gonna be shorter to the top. Okay, so remember, you keep it low, long layers. You keep it a little bit higher, the layer is gonna be tiny shorter than the long, and then the higher you go, the shorter is gonna be the first layer, and you keep going like this. Now her hair is very wavy, so we don't want too short. We want movement, but not too high. Look how nice you can see there, long, and then the shorter pieces on top. Not too short, no, the layers? No, okay. I think this is enough, because when her hair is curly, it's gonna go higher. So I think it's nice length to be nice, and they're gonna have movement. When you have finished this, you go like this, and you follow the next piece. You do exactly the same. You take a little piece on this side. You comb your hair straight. You go down, this is the one where you're gonna follow, and you go to the top, and you go a little bit higher, and you go one more time. Remember, in this one I did the same. I did twice to make a tiny shorter the layer on top. Okay, I go like this, and I keep it, and I go to the next one. Always go through the ears. Over here I never go with layers because it depends. Sometimes I like to go with layers, sometimes no. Depends how thick is the hair on the front. Okay, I go the same from the other side. We have the front, I didn't touch it. What I'm gonna do in the back, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one piece from the one what I did and one piece to the other one. I'm gonna put it together so I can double check if they get even. So go like this, and I see if I have some a little rest, you can fix it and do like this. And then you take one piece of here, one piece for the other one. It's just to be sure they connect between each other, okay? And you have a little extra, you clean it up. You see, if you have a little extra, you clean it up. You see, very little, it's just fixed, but if you connect it, you see, they connect well. One piece from the other one, and one piece from the other one, what I did, put it together. Yeah, look, you can clean a little bit. Take one piece from here, one piece from the other one, come together. And like this. So, okay. You can see the layers now. All movement around her ends. Okay. Remember, if you want even shorter layers, if you want the layers to start here, you do higher. You put your hands higher, and the higher you go, the shorter the layers are gonna be. Okay? Now to the front. We have just already long layers, and she has very thick hair. If you remember my other video, I didn't do layers around the face because her hair was very thin. In her case, I can play a little bit around her face. So I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna do the same like I did on the back. I'm gonna pull everything low. This is mine, guy, and this is what I got. Okay, I'm gonna do the same. Remember, this is when you have thick hair. If you don't have too thick, don't do layers in the front. Just do around the face. Here is thinner, so I don't wanna do anything. Okay. You're gonna have the movement on the side from the long layers, and the movement on the side over here from the layers and the back too. Now, I like to finish always the haircut when it's dry, so you can blow dry your hair and see how it looks, and if you want a little shorter your layer, you can go shorter. Always, like always say, play safe, go longer and then shorter, you can always go away. If you go too short, to make it longer is impossible, actually. Okay, we have her hair dry. Look, she has a lot of layers, but her hair is very thick. So let's see if we want to texturize with this scissor. Okay, one is cut and the other one doesn't cut the hair. So what I'm gonna do is just on her ends, because I want her ends to look a little bit thinner without too much volume. I'm gonna do it in the same way how her hair goes. Okay, I don't gonna go like this straight across. I'm gonna go vertical like this. And then remove a little volume. So her hair on the ends goes thinner and softer. The same right here. You see how thick is there? That is a place where I'm gonna texturize a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do the same in the next one. And the next. Vertical. Okay, just a little bit. I don't want to get too much. You see the difference when you texturize? They get a little more less thickness, and it makes the hair to feel softer. Okay, so now we have the layer. Remember, her layers are not too short, they are kind of long. Start from here, okay, all through there. Okay, she has all the layers there, you see, and the long layers around her face, what is helping her to get some movement. When she moves her hair, she's gonna have a little movement too, without getting too short. And when she go like this, she's gonna have movement. Okay, and on the back she's gonna have some movement. When her hair is curly, so you're gonna see this is go like this, from shorter to longer. Okay, well, I hope you like it, and I see you next time. Bye.